What's up, guys? It's Techno Viking 23 coming to you from Waynesville, North Carolina. We're on our way up to West Virginia today. We're going to be doing some skiing. It's a beautiful day here in North Carolina. We were going to hit up Appalachia this morning on the way up and get some skiing in, but unfortunately this week we've had a ton of rain down here in North Georgia and the North Carolina mountains. So their base got wiped out pretty good. I looked at their webcams yesterday, and up on the top, like, oh my gosh, was down to basically rocks and mud. They had a little patch of snow, and crazily enough, they had it still open, which it looked pretty dangerous. But checked this morning, it looks like they were able to blow a little snow last night. The temperature finally did cool off after the rain blew through, but it wasn't really anything where we wanted to pay full price for a half-day lift ticket and really take some time out of the drive to stop. So that's kind of out. And then my other option was maybe to do winter place once we get further up into West Virginia today, later this afternoon. But I checked the winter place, and they kind of had the same thing yesterday. They had rain pretty much all day, wiped out some of their base. They decided they actually were going to close half the mountain today. So they said they were only having 2 lifts open, and it was like 4 greens and a couple blues. And I was like, well, I'm not going to spend $70 when they only have 6 or 7 trails open. But everybody's trying to get ready for President's Day weekend, preserve what little snow they have left. We've been getting hit pretty hard with rain, here in the mid-Atlantic area. So unfortunately, no skiing on the drive up today. We're just going to take it easy, chill, do the tourist stuff, hit some overlooks, do a little bit of hiking. So we'll share some of those adventures on the way up. But tomorrow we will be up in Canaan Valley. That's the game plan. Kind of a cool thing last night, they did get hit with a nice little band of snow. The rain changed into snow, and it got up into the West Virginia mountains. And between, I think, midnight and like 6 a.m. this morning, they got 5 or 6 inches. So I checked Timberline's webcam this morning, and when I looked yesterday, they had no snow on the ground, but all the trails were open. And then I looked this morning, it's like they had snow everywhere, on the rooftops everywhere. So they got a nice little dump in today. Weather looks pretty favorable for the next couple of days, maybe a little bit of rain. On Thursday, we're going to have to dodge, but should be a pretty good week. And I wanted to make sure I'd get out at least one more time this year, this season, I guess, for one more trip up north. I do have some time off in March. I'm going to try to get out one last time, but it looks like we may be on our last legs here for the East Coast ski season with all the rain we've been getting lately. But it looks like they still have some stuff going on up in Canaan Valley, so we're going to get up there and check it out. But let's get back on the road, and I will catch up with you guys later.